Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video I'm unboxing the products by the brand called Organic Harvest, which is sustainable and non-toxic. I have a few products like bathing bars, face washes with me, which I'm gonna be talking about today. Organic Harvest is a brand which is totally non-toxic and is very transparent about the ingredients that they use in making of their product. Like this bathing bar, this is made using 100% organic ingredients and is totally sulfate free. This gently cleanses the skin and retains the natural moisture. This vitamin C organic face wash is made using natural ingredients like acai berry and daisy flower. This face wash helps in dealing with uneven skin tone, dullness and fine lines. Next is this very amazing Organic Harvest Fresh and Glow face wash, which is filled with the goodness of organic green tea. This face wash too is free from sulfates and harmful chemicals. This face wash is very helpful, in reducing the sun damage, also aids spots and also protects the skin from free radicals. You know what guys, Organic Harvest has initiated a tree plantation drive wherein they will be planting 1 million trees by the end of 2025. I am definitely going to be part of this initiative, and you too can do your bit for this planet. All you have to do is post a picture of yourself planting a tree and tag the brand Organic Harvest and follow them. Also tag 3 of your friends in this post and the lucky winner will get an exclusive hamper by the brand. So I highly recommend you go for the brand Organic Harvest for your daily routine, skincare and hair care. Head to the link in the bio and use the code EARTH20 and get 20% off on shopping the products worth rupees 499 and above.